Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Road tripping to Borama for the most amazing cause.
Going to Borama.
Borama? Yeah, okay. So
there are a few cities that we have to go through.
Okay.
The first one will be Abarso.
Yep.
Then it will be Arabsio. Then it will be Gibile. And then there's a few other smaller ones.
Okay.
Before we hit Borama.
So the last time we went through Abarso area, we actually saw baboons.
Yeah, that was a small place called Maqahida Inanta. So it's a tiny little place.
Yes.
We will go through that today.
Okay.
And then Abarso will be next. And then Arabsia will be next. Gibile will be next. Kalabairka, that's another place.
Okay.
And then I think there's another one or two places. I can't remember.
Okay.
And then we're off to Berbera, inshallah. Borama, inshallah.
Okay. Great.
Like saying Berbera.
This is your Omar International. Yes.
Omar, yeah.
Yeah. So that's the one who had the big importing in
one of the richest
Berbera.
guys in the country, yeah.
What is this, a new furniture store?
Here it is, man.
Oh, good. So we're going into Art Cafe. So we've got the takeaway, but they don't call it takeaway, right? They call it safari. So safari style cappuccino. Yeah, it's good. It's fine. So just letting you know, the cappuccino that we got from Art Cafe is a winner. It's good. It's nice.
In the West, they do Abba. They're like this from here all the way.
Abba.
So we have lots of corn. Is that what's growing on the side?
Yeah,
corn. Okay. So on this side of Hargeisa, there's actually a lot more vegetation. It's a lot more greener.
Yeah, back there.
Yeah, this side of this direction of Hargeisa. We went yesterday.
Back there, the trees were so green, so green.
Right. We actually saw some donkeys grazing on a little bit of like grass.
And we saw a dead camel.
And we saw a dead camel on the side of the road. It obviously been hit by a truck. So that's a sad story.
The trucks go super fast here.
Yeah, there's trucks going crazy. So it's actually really dangerous. Some fruit on the side of the road.
This is the place where we stopped last time, yes?
Yes,
really?
yes, it was. We drove up there.
Yes.
We drove up there.
That's right. And we've stopped here a couple of days ago to buy some mangoes and some like oranges. Yeah.
Do you think they're still selling the exact same mangoes?
Oh, it's so different because then it was rainy and now it's sunny.
Do you think they're still selling?
Will this river ever be like full again? Or
As soon as it rains, it will flood.
In the winter. Yeah,
but they don't catch it. They don't really do a good job.
I don't know, like 15 minutes and then it's gone.
Yeah, because it's a drought now.
Drought, not drought. It's okay, it's okay.
Native farmers.
It looks beautiful. No, it's so much green. It's crazy. It's only like, what, about 40 minutes away?
Yeah.
And it's so much more green.
No, it's like an hour and a half.
Oh, check the other side. It's so nice as well. Look. Careful, the crossing kids, double crossing kids.
Yeah, I see them.
Hey.
I swear this last one is kind of dumb.
Careful. They just came back from school.
Why do they have school? It's just
School just started.
Okay, so a lot more corn growing in there.
In Dubai, kids are going to school right now.
Why do I not see lots of corn for sale on the side of the road then?
Yeah, if I take you to the main shop, main market, you
There's
will see
lots
a
of
lot
corn?
Yeah.
Okay.
And they've got this weird mentality of everyone sells the same thing.
At the same time? Yeah, grow something different.
There's so much less like animals here. Like why would
Yeah, you think all the animals would be out here, that's crazy.
Why wouldn't there be more animals here? There's more
Oh, that sand is so nice.
It's a riverbed.
There's no...
I was just correcting
city.
Oh, were you?
They go to their masjid.
Yeah, it's a small farming community. No, it's in between Gibile and Arabsia.
It's like up.
Yes.
Truck, I think it's got a flat tyre, huh?
Dollar. I've had them for like 4 months.
No, it's not better than Hargeisa.
Yes, Abba, come on. Yeah, it's much greener. This is so much better than
Bro, this is the best.
I like how they're trying to have palm trees. There's lights in the middle of the street.
What's
It's a
that?
two-way street.
What's the town called?
Gibele. This is
Gibele.
It's my favorite.
So they have a
Tuk
separate
Tuks.
mayor, Abo?
Yeah.
Abo,
The mayor
other
does
time,
this.
Abo.
It's very popular.
Abba?
It's very good.
A few days ago when we were in Berbera, you said everyone thinks Gibele is the best, but I think Berbera. Now you're like, Gibele is my favorite town.
No, Gibele is the best, Abo. This is 10 times better
Gibele
than
is so
Berbera.
much better than Berbera, Abo.
But it's much smaller, but you cannot compare. Berber is much bigger city. Hargeisa is way bigger. See, they're trying to plant some plants on these structures, whatever they are, and I really like it. And then these people are paying for it because there's an ad. I don't know if you can see.
Oh, okay. On
Dabshil owns
Oh,
this.
okay. Some
Mother
advertising.
owns Dabshil owns this.
Very clever.
Somali, no
Very
English.
smart. And then the mayor is using that money to maintain the place.
Speak English
Great.
one more time.
Abba, have brand new Tuk Tuks, Abba.
Yeah, the Tuk Tuk land starts from here
They're literally brand new.
all the way to Borama. You see,
Because the Tuk Tuks are in such good condition.
We need a tuk-tuk ride at some stage.
Whoa, that was a
Yeah, I'm gonna take one today.
some of the palms are doing okay. Some of them are struggling.
I'd like to know where you go buy established palms from.
I'm sure there's people who.
Can you leave a comment if you watch this or know someone who sells big trees? I want to know a nursery, a plant nursery that sells big trees.
Lamb, that's part of their makeup, Abba.
Is that a camel?
Makeup?
Oh,
The cows have that,
There's a
the
bull.
male ones.
There's a bull.
How is it to show like dominance? Right?
But Abba, what is that even for? That is so weird.
That is a beautiful mountain.
Swano.
Beautiful mountain. Yeah, wait, sorry. Hey yo, Ethiopians! Now the border's not this way, is it? Up?
Yeah, it is.
No, it's that way. They came from the borders. You talking to Jamal, Abba?
what's up? I'm going to, we have to get to the
You can't see me.
So we're coming into town, huh? Yeah? This is the right town, Borama?
I'm not sure, man. Maybe it is. Ah, yeah.
Oh yeah. Behind that little sign is the big sign, huh?
So
Yeah.
the old border.
Who's here? He says Borama.
Okay, we're here, Yusuf. Blue. Clouds are beautiful. So obviously red roofs of houses are very popular, huh?
The temperature is so much better than Hargeisa.
Hero Malik.
I like this guy's hair, he dyed it.
Yeah, I think this is the coolest guy.
So orange is like the only acceptable.
Well, because it's henna.
What is?
فوق صبر الله بنعمة مركب خدمة ما مسكين تاني أيوة توصل سعرين مركب
Probably the same.
لا أنت سعرين مركب
There's two tuk-tuks having a race.
Tuk Tuk land. I like those little.
The wheels, yeah.
Do
It's
they like chop people up like on the chariots in gladiator time? Hey donkey.
Sun batting.
Oh, red.
No, I love this city. I don't know why. The Tuk Tuk gives it like a whole different vibe, you know. But
Yeah.
Red. everywhere. They love it.
Some construction going on.
Facebook must
adeero wax ma ku weydiiyaa meesha waxaan u socdaa Xaaji Hadliyeh primary school Xaaji Hadliyeh.
So yeah, so it's been quite an adventure, the actual drive here, which has been great. But now the tricky part is trying to find the school/orphanage that we are trying to find in order to donate the shoes. So after asking quite a few random people where the school is, one of them gave us an ingenious idea. Why didn't we think of ourselves? Put it in Google Maps, and here we go. Google Maps. What's the name of the school, babe?
Hadliyeh.
Okay.
Hadliyeh.
So now we're on our way. Finally, we've arrived. Good. I want to introduce the amazing Miss Zahra, the founder of this school. So Mahad Center for letting us come. We're very grateful. It was wonderful. It was very nice. MashaAllah. Yes. Yep. There you go. Wonderful. Miss Zahra, after a very broad and extensive career in Canada in the education sector, felt the need to come back to her roots, to her hometown, to be able to make a difference for those kids. This is her school. She welcomed us to go into all of the classrooms, meet the students, and we were super impressed. This is grade 7, and we are doing science? Yeah. So science in English, you're teaching in English? Yeah. MashaAllah. Wonderful. Fantastic. In the morning, she has 400 students that are fee-paying students from the local community. But in the afternoon, she has 110 students, and these are the students that we're seeing here that are here on 100% scholarships because there's no way that their families would possibly be able to afford. We're doing Arabic? Miss Zahra 100% supports this charitable work all on her own. She doesn't receive any donations of any kind. Truly an unsung hero that the world should know about. So much. Wow. So yes, so they have fee-paying students and also some underprivileged kids that come. So I'm excited to get the shoes out so that they can choose some new shoes for the day. That's great, huh? Okay, Layla, come. Layla, these are all the shoes, aren't they, darling? Shoes, we've got a soccer ball. Okay. In our school, we told everyone about all the kids in Somaliland. We told them that some of them walk to school and they don't have any shoes. So we wanted to do a campaign where we could collect shoes to bring. Yeah? So that's why we've got these bags here. We have many, many, many shoes to donate. Small, big, girls' shoes, boys' shoes, so that all the kids can have, right? And decide which shoes. Yes, girls, boys, big, small, baby. So many, many, many shoes. So our school is very happy at GIS to be able to bring these shoes here. Yes. Thank you. So it's playtime. Yay!
This is what I came.
So we also brought a football.
That's yeah.
And the kids are excited to play football. Love it.
Oh, there's two.
So guys, you can see something as simple as a soccer ball is just so appreciated, right? Jamal! Now, friends, can we say thank you, GIS? Wait a minute. Ko labo sate. Thank you, GIS.
Hey, what's up? So we just finished up at the school. We finished giving everything, the shoes to them. We played a little bit of football, as you can see from my feet. A bit dirty. Yeah, it was lots of fun. We had fun there. But now we're gonna go home.
If you want to know more about the Shoes for Somaliland campaign, please have a look in the description down below and there'll be a link to that video. Or if you want to know more about this amazing school that Mrs. Zahra runs in Borama, reach out and I'll send you more information. She does an amazing job. Not only is the quality of the school is amazing, but the charitable work she does in the afternoon just is amazing, blows my mind. And these are the unsung heroes that we should know more about. Thanks for coming along.